Question having very good question. This type question JEE advanced ask the question. Question having an is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to n minus 1 sin 2k minus 1 pi by 2n cos square k minus 1 pi by 2 into cos square pi by 2n k. To find the value limit n tends to infinity an by n power 3. This value finds. This type question, how to solve? A question easy, not tough, but lengthy having. Some application apply. So I start this an. First this simplify. First I simplify. So I first now let pi by 2n is equal to what consider? Theta. So now what value to your sin 2k minus 1 theta by cos square k minus 1 theta into cos square k theta. This is. Now one formula remember, this question one formula remember by is tan square k theta minus tan square k minus 1 theta is this. Write down this write down this having what sin square k theta by cos square k theta minus sin square k minus 1 theta by cos square k minus 1 theta. Now take LCM. The LCM what having? Tell me. Cos square k theta into cos square k minus 1 theta. This multiply, this multiply. This multiply you write down sin k theta into cos k minus 1 theta whole square minus sin k minus 1 theta into cos k theta whole square. Now a square minus b square formula apply. Yeah, this apply. This simplify. So you come sin k theta minus k theta plus theta into sin k theta plus k theta minus theta by cos square k theta into cos square k minus 1 theta. This formula having sin theta into sin 2k minus 1 theta by sin cos square theta into cos square k minus 1 theta. See this term same having. Check. Only one what having? Sin theta extra comes. So now your question this having. I explain this question. Again you write down. Understand boy? Again you write down this question. What question having? 1 by sin theta into sin 2k minus 1 theta by cos square theta na? Cos square theta. Cos square theta into cos square k minus 1 theta. So this what write down? This I explain. The what formula having? Tan square k theta minus tan square k minus theta. This write down 1 by sin theta tan square k theta minus tan square k minus 1 theta. This having. Now your question what having? Summation k is equal to 1 to n minus 1. Now start k is equal to 1 value put. The 1 by sin theta k is equal to 1 put. The tan square theta minus tan square 0 plus 2 put the tan square 2 theta minus tan square theta 3 put the tan square 3 theta minus tan square 2 theta. Check one time. Again next plus minus become lastly n minus 1 put the tan square n minus 1 theta minus tan square n minus 1 n minus 2 theta. Now understand why this term cancel, this term cancel, this term cancel. So now this term and previous cancel. So what will 1 by sine theta, next sine tan square n minus 1 theta or minus this is 0. 0. So what answer? Tan square n minus 1 theta by sine theta. This comes. This total value what having? an. This total value an. Now this simplify. Now what question having? Limit n tends to infinity n. No, first wait 1 minute. Theta is equal to what consider? Theta is equal to what? This value puts. So this is tan square n minus 1 pi by 2n by sine pi by 2n. Check one time. Of this multiply, so what having? an is equal to tan square multiply this. So what answer? n cancel. The pi by 2 minus pi by 2n by sine pi by 2n. 10 pi by 2 change, 10 change cot. The cot square pi by 2n by sine pi by 2n. This is an. अब your question finally question है limit n tends to infinity an by n cube. Now start. The limit n tends to infinity an. An what value find? This is an. The cot I don't 10. Cot means 10. So this I don't know. 1 by tan square pi by 2n into sine pi by 2n into n cube. Question having n cube. Check. Question what having? N cube. n cube write down. Now pi by 2n whole square pi by 2n this multiply this divide the pi by 2n whole square into pi by 2n. This value 1, this value 1. Limit n tends to 0. Always remember limit n tends to infinity tan 1 by x by 1 by x what? 1. So this value 1, this value 1. The remaining what? 1 by n cube. The pi square by what? 4n square or pi by 2n. This cancel, go this side, 8 by pi cube. So you answer 8 by pi cube. The question not tough, question easy having, but lengthy having. Some basic concept having trigonometry apply, again solve the question. I hope understand. Thank you.